to Shri Ram Medical College. Today we will explore what are the top 6 effective techniques for laboratory sterilization and disinfection. In order to operate with isolated cell lines, a lab must be able to sterilize its equipment and environment effectively. The medium in which your cultures are developing should not be exposed to environmental pests, and neither should the cultures themselves, therefore they must be disinfected before being thrown away. You may not realize that you have uninvited microbe guests in your cultures unless you examine them under a microbiology microscope. It's time to refresh your memory on the numerous laboratory sterilizing processes and how they protect your cells from pathogens. Using pressured steam to heat the item to be sterilized is the preferred method of sterilization in most laboratories. Extreme heat or prolonged incubation is necessary for some bugs, but this procedure is otherwise quite successful at eliminating all types of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Microbes are sterilized in an autoclave because the high heat and moisture effectively hydrolyze and coagulate the proteins in their cells. In contrast to autoclaving, dry heating has one significant distinction. That's right, in the absence of water, protein hydrolysis is impossible. The oxidation of biological components is how dry heat typically kills bacteria. Therefore, greater temperatures are required for dry heat sterilization to be as effective as protein hydrolysis. Filtration is an effective method for rapidly sterilizing fluids without the need for heating. A filter's effectiveness relies on the fact that it removes microorganisms from a solution by forcing it through a porous medium that is too tiny for them to pass through. Sintered glass funnels, which are constructed of heat-fused glass particles, and cellulose ester membrane filters are the two most popular types of filters used today. Filters having an average pore width of 0.2 micrometers are typically used for bacterial filtration. While ethanol is typically employed as a disinfectant, isopropanol is a more effective solvent for fat and hence may be preferable. Both solvents function by denaturing proteins, which requires water, hence they must be diluted to between 60 and 90% in water to be useful. Electromagnetic radiation such as ultraviolet, UV, X-ray, and gamma rays is extremely destructive to DNA and hence is a useful technique for sterilization. When comparing their relative efficacy, the degree to which they penetrate targets is the most important distinguishing factor. Because UV light can only go so far via air, just a tiny region around the bulb will be sterilized. Sterilizing medical devices like catheters and stents, which are susceptible to heat and moisture, is a common application for ethylene oxide. Ethylene oxide is a potent alkylating agent that can effectively halt metabolic processes and cell division. Equipment that has been sterilized with ethylene oxide must be aerated thereafter to remove any lingering gas. Similar to hydrogen peroxide, ethylene oxide poses serious health concerns. Join Shri Ram Medical College and take the first step toward a successful career in medical laboratory technology. We are here to assist you in launching your career as a medical lab technician. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website ShriRamCollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.